So not only does the mattress get delivered straight to your door, talk about convenience, it also comes in a box, which makes it super easy to transport to whichever room you plan on setting it up in. And they also have free shipping, and if you decide after the 100th day of sleeping on your Lull mattress that it's not a good fit for you, they'll return it free of charge. And customer service is extremely important to me, and Lull has been an absolute dream to work with, and I honestly could not recommend them enough. Okay, so it's been about 3 weeks almost, I think, right? It's been about 3 weeks since we've gotten our Lull mattress, but I didn't want to come on here and review it for you guys until we fully experienced it. So we can honestly say that we are obsessed with this mattress. Like, I didn't really realize how bad we were sleeping until we got a new mattress, because the mattress that we had previously was passed down from my mom, and I don't even know how long she's had it. It was, I don't know, I think it was her mom's too, so it's been around for a long time, and it was not a very good mattress, and we were sleeping awful. And when we got our new mattress, literally the first night, we both woke up and we looked at each other and we were like, did you sleep good? We just thought it was like a coincidence, and we both slept amazing. It's seriously so hard for me to get out of bed in the morning, especially on the weekends when Adam is here watching the girls. He came upstairs yesterday morning, and I think it was like 11 o'clock, because he looked at me and he was like, babe, are you not sleeping well at night? Because it's almost 11 a.m. and you're still in bed. And I had no idea. So clearly this bed is really comfortable. What are your thoughts on it?
So yeah, I usually have a lot of issues with waking up in the middle of the night. But ever since getting the mattress, I've been able to sleep soundly throughout the entire night. So that's really helped the quality of sleep that I've been getting.
Yeah, so he's had like awful issues with sleep ever since I've known him, but we've had the same mattress ever since we got married. So I don't know if the mattress has anything to contribute to that, but now that we have a nice quality mattress, we both sleep so soundly. And I don't know if it's because we're both like dead asleep, but I don't notice him waking up at all in the middle of the night anymore. So that's been great for both of us, because obviously we both have to be, like with his job, he has to be on point every single day, and I'm a busy mom, and so it's just nice that we can get a full night's sleep now.